Discover the meaning of rubbernecking in English. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, rubberneck. Have you ever found yourself craning your neck to see something, especially when there's an accident or something unusual on the road? That's what we call rubbernecking. In this video, we'll break down this phrase and how to use it like a native speaker. The term rubberneck is used as both a noun and a verb, relating to the act of turning one's head to stare at something in a foolishly inquisitive way. Originally, it referred to tourists who would gawk at tall buildings or local sights, their necks seemingly as flexible as rubber to take in the views. Now, it's often used to describe drivers who slow down to look at car accidents, causing traffic jams. Let's delve into a little history. The term rubberneck has been around since the late 19th century. It started off as amusement park slang but has since become a common term used to describe people who can't resist the urge to gawk. Understanding the origin of such phrases can really give us insight into how they've woven their way into everyday language. Now, how do we use this phrase? It's quite simple, and I'll give you a few examples to demonstrate. The accident on the other side of the highway caused a lot of rubbernecking. And that's why we're stuck in traffic. I told myself not to rubberneck at the construction site, but the machinery was just too fascinating to ignore. Don't be such a rubberneck. Keep walking. Notice how it can be used to suggest that paying too much attention to something can be negative or cause inconvenience to others. It's important to recognize when not to use certain phrases. Rubberneck is informal and can be considered rude if used in the wrong context. For instance, you wouldn't want to accuse someone of rubbernecking in a serious situation where concern is natural and expected. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, rubberneck. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and rules. It's also about understanding how to use phrases in the right context. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. Happy learning, and see you next time.